After being sourced from some of the most beautiful parts of the country, honey is delivered to a purpose-built processing and packaging facility located in Hamilton, New Zealand, right across the road from Hamilton International Airport. The production and warehouse facility covers an impressive 20,000 square foot area, employs 50 staff, and is one of the most technologically advanced and efficient honey packing facilities in Australasia. The facility also features a research and development unit dedicated to apitherapy products and innovative honey product development.
On receiving drums from the beekeeper, we will check against his electronic document that the drums received are matching to his document. From there, we'll weigh them and log them in under our HNZ number. A week's production at this facility is 40 tonnes a week, normally in 6 to 7 tonne batches.
Each batch of honey from Honey New Zealand has a unique batch number, which refers to a batch sheet listing all 20 drums that make up that batch. Each drum is individually numbered and can be traced back to a specific hive source location and beekeeper. In order to provide a guarantee that what is in the pot is true to label, the honey is put through extensive quality assurance checks, ensuring it complies with all New Zealand export standards, the New Zealand Food Safety Authority, and the Ministry of Primary Industry requirements. We also use the laboratories of Analytica, Eurofins and Hills to confirm and independently certify for the activity levels of all batches.
In process, we'll chip 22 drums. Each drum weighs 330 kilos. From here, we'll take a sample. We'll test for colour, moisture and temperature at this point. And then we'll go into the process part where we will filter at about 1,500 kilos per hour. The samples are checked for colour and taste. As you can see, from season to season, the colours can vary. After filtering and processing, we come into this room. We have the capacity here to hold 40 tonnes of honey. The honey will remain here for 2 to 3 days while it's getting creamed before packing. Once the honey is creamed, the packing then begins. Normally here we will pack a 6-tonne batch in an 8-hour day. So first the empty pots come onto here and the process begins. This is a New Zealand made Hunter filler. This one here we are set up to do 250 gram, 375 gram, a 500 gram and a 1 kilo. Our speeds range up to 82 pots a minute. We overfill each size by about 4 grams. Every 15 minutes, we check each pot, basically 4 heads, and make sure we have that 4 grams over. Our last line of defence is a metal detector. Now this just covers to make sure there's no foreign bodies in that pot of honey for the customer. From there, we go straight into our capper, which covers all our 4 sizes. We have a rejection system in place for anything that has a high lid. This pot here has got a high lid. Lid's loose. You tighten them up. And from there we go through the labelling.
To ensure the supply chain remains true from farm to pot, we send 3 pots from every batch to Oratane. Oratane carries out a scientific analysis of the honey, comparing it with baseline data from the geochemistry of the environment the honey was sourced from. This independent certification process utilises a scientific fingerprint, which enables Honey New Zealand to provide confidence with a guarantee of New Zealand origin, so 100% pure New Zealand honey. Honey New Zealand products are sold throughout the world with a reputation for the highest possible quality. Nature's best from New Zealand, guaranteed.